Yes. Okay. Not okay. And I'm trying to understand. This is okay. Not okay. And I'm still trying to understand. Okay. Okay. Yes. Great. Okay. So today we are going to listen to a story which Sangeeta auntie is going to tell you. Hmm. Now, what happens is sometimes we listen to the story, but if sometimes, what happens is we just tend to forget the story. Yes or no? Yes, we forget the story. Yeah. So now, how do we remember the story, or how do we remember stuff which we learn in the school or we are learning somewhere? So to remember the things, there is a small exercise we will do before we start with the story. Okay? Yes? Now I'm going to show you all few things. And you have to tell me what are those things you saw. But at the same time, you have to tell me the sequence of those things. Sequence means what did I show you first? What did I show you second? What did I show you third? What did I show you fourth? And what did I show you fifth? Done? Yes? Can you all show me your thumbs up? Are you all ready? So I'm going to show you 5 things. And when I show you 5 things, after that, you close your eyes and try to remember. First, what did I show you? Okay. Second, what did I show you? Done? Fine? Yes? Okay. So I'm going to show you. What is this? A pen. Okay. Then I'm going to show you. What is this? A glasses, sunglasses. And then I'm going to show you, what is this? A car or a jeep. Yeah, a driving vehicle. Yeah, this is a vehicle. Okay. Then I'm going to show you, what is this? This is a bottle. Done? Okay. After that, I'm going to show you a, what is this? A water bottle. Okay. And I drink water with this. Yeah, water bottle. Now, okay, let me ask Daksh. Daksh, you want to tell? Will you tell? Yes? Okay, I'll unmute Daksh and ask Daksh. Daksh, can you unmute yourself? Yeah. Can you, are you able to listen to me?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Daksh, what did I show you all first?
And
Pen. Okay, good job. Then I'll ask Anvita. Now, Anvita. Anvita, what did I show you?
jeep,
Second. Second, what did I show you?
sunglasses,
Very good. That's nice. And then Pranavi. Pranavi, are you able to hear me? Pranavi, are you able to hear me? Yes?
and
Yes. What did I show you third? What did I show you third? So first was pen, second was sunglasses, third was what? What was third? What did I show you third? I also don't remember.
bottle.
Car. Are you sure? Car. Yes. Okay. So who is going to tell me what did I show you third? Who is going to tell me? You have to raise your hand. How do you raise your hand? Okay. Yeah. Will you tell me? Yes. Yeah. Can you tell me?
Bottle.
Did I show you bottle? Fourth, did I show
Yeah.
you bottle?
Yes.
Which bottle? Small bottle or big bottle?
Big bottle.
Small bottle. That was a pill bottle. Okay? And
It is a
very good. Good job.
It's
And
a
then
fatter
Siddharth.
bottle. It's
Yeah,
a fatter bottle.
yeah, it was a flato bottle. Yeah. And Siddharth, are you going to tell me what was next?
Water bottle.
What was next?
Big bottle.
Big bottle. Wow. Yeah, you can also say. So, what was first? Pen. Then sunglasses. After that, car. And then small bottle.
And then big bottle.
And then big bottle. Now, we are able to remember because here things are only 5. Now, what if I add one more thing? What is this? What is this?
Pineapple is falling.
That's a
Oh.
pineapple, Arnav. Yes. And,
It is a fruit.
and what is this?
Bowl. Boat.
And what is this?
Hot dog. No.
That's
Plate.
That's a, where do you
Plate.
put this?
That is a plate.
Cap, Ron.
Cap.
That's a clip.
Clip.
That's a hair clip.
Clip.
That's a hair clip. We can put it here. Okay? Yeah? Now let me see how many of you remember. What did I say first?
Pen.
See, pen. Good. Okay. What did I say? Second.
Sunglasses.
Good job. What did I-
Sunglasses.
Yeah. What did I say third?
Car.
Jeep. Yeah. And what did I say fourth?
Small
Small bottle. Yeah, the fatter bottle. And this is what bottle?
Big
Okay.
bottle.
Now, after that, what did I show?
Big bottle.
Okay, after the big bottle, after this bottle.
Pineapple.
Wow, you all remember. Can we all clap? We all are remembering. What did we see? Okay, after pineapple, what did I show you?
Ball. Clip. Cap. Ball. Cap.
Hey, ball.
Ball.
Did I show you clip?
Clip. I might have the ball. Clip.
Or did I show you bowl?
Yes. Bowl. Yes.
Bowl, yes, very good. So all of you are able to remember this because you are able to see this. When you see this, it becomes easy for you to remember here, right? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, but sometimes what happens is we don't get to see. Yeah? So when we don't get to see, we only get to hear. When only get to hear, it is difficult to remember. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So what we do is when we listen to something, we close our eyes and we'll try to remember that thing. Okay? Okay, done? So now, when Sangeeta auntie will tell you the story, what you do is, you try to close your eyes and listen to the story. Done? Then again, Sangeeta auntie will show you the pictures. And that will help you remember the story. Done? Good? Good? Are you all good? Can you all show me a thumbs up? Very good. That's nice. Okay. So Did you understand? What did we see first? Pen. Then after that, sunglasses.
Glasses.
After that, car. After that,
A small bottle.
and after that,
Big bottle.
and after that,
Pineapple.
after that,
A clip.
after that.
A bowl.
Yeah. So now you are able to remember so many things without me telling you. Now, exercises. Please close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. And with closing your eyes, you have to tell me what did you see first?
What did you see first?
What did you see first?
Pineapple.
Did you see pineapple first? Did we see pineapple first? We saw pen. And after that, what did we see?
Pen.
Close your eyes.
After that, we saw
Sunglasses.
sunglasses. After that, after sunglasses, what did we see? After
Sunglasses.
car. Yes, after sunglasses,
Sunglasses.
we saw a car. After that, what did we see?
Big bottle.
After that, did we see big bottle?
Yes.
Small bottle.
Sure.
Small bottle. After that, big bottle.
After that, motu bottle. That is chotu bottle, fato bottle. And after that, we saw
Big
the water
That
bottle.
is Papa bottle. And
Yes.
that is baby bottle.
Yes. After that, what did we see?
Pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple. Very good. And after that, what did we see?
Clip.
After that, we saw the hair clip. Very good. Good job. And after that, what did you see?
Bowl.
Wow. That's very good. Do you know how many things you remember now?
Yes.
One is pen,
Yes.
2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8. Wow, you all are able to remember 8 things at a time. Can you all clap? Can you all clap? Wow, good job. Very good. Very good. Good. Now, Sangeeta auntie is going to tell you a story. Okay. So all of you, can you all sit straight? Sit straight. Yeah, please sit straight. Yeah, that's very nice. So when you sit straight, what happens is you're able to listen very carefully. You become more alert. So are you all alert? Are you all alert? Yes, can you all show me a thumbs up? Very good. Yes. So let's all listen. Can we all close our eyes while Sangeeta auntie tells us the story? Sangeeta, just tell the story and don't show them the pictures. And after
Okay.
that, we'll give them a surprise by showing them the pictures. Yeah?
Okay.
Yes, ready. Great.
So, are we all ready? Okay, good. So, here are the stories. Hi, we are Clifford and Emily Elizabeth. Clifford is my dog. He is pretty big. Clifford wasn't always so big. When he was a puppy, he was very, very small. I had to be careful when I played with him. He was too small to fetch a ball. Poor little Clifford. He wanted to play with my toys. They were too big, but he liked the merry-go-round I made for him. On cold winter days, Clifford found snuggling warm places to sleep, like my cap. We put a clock by his bed at night. The ticking seemed to lull him to sleep. Ring, 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 ring. Once I forgot to turn off the alarm. At first, I gave Clifford baths in our bathtub. He slipped off the soap one day, and I almost lost him. After that, I bathed him in a soup bowl. Daddy was surprised when I told him what I had used for Clifford's bathtub. It was fun having such a small puppy. But Clifford was easy to lose. One day, my aunt came to visit. When she left, we all looked over for our small red puppy. My aunt found him in the bake shop. Clifford was scared. He plopped into the cream puffs. Then he ran through the pies. Tup, 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 tup. The baker tried to catch him, but Clifford climbed up the wedding cake and landed in the whipped cream. The baker was a little upset. What a mess! My aunt didn't know what to do. She didn't want to bring Clifford home looking like that. A small boy with a big dog had an idea. He said his dog loved whipped cream. In no time, Clifford was all cleaned up. I was so happy to have Clifford home again. The dog who brought him to me was the biggest dog I had ever seen. Until Clifford grew up. Now, are you able to understand? Were you listening to the story? Yes?
So who can tell me what do they remember of the story? Yeah. So
Just raise your hand. Neelam is going to
Yeah.
unmute them.
Yeah. So who is going to go first? Okay. Yeah. Daksh, can you tell me? Daksh, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay. Unmute yourself, Daksh.
Daksh, unmute yourself.
Or ask Mama to help you. Yeah.
Yeah, Daksh, tell me. What do you remember of this story? What do you remember in this story? Anything what you remember from the story? Does anybody else remember something from the story?
You want to tell something?
No. Okay, Arav, do you
Arav.
want to tell me?
For you to. And that the puppy so small, just like
Puppy
Yeah,
was so
puppy.
small. Okay. Anybody
Good.
else? Ashwita?
and puppy like to play with the toy. And
Okay.
puppy bring ball. Puppy
Okay, Bhavin, you want to tell?
Yes.
What do you remember of the story?
I remember that the puppy was lost and they found it again.
Very good. So
Okay,
puppy
very
was
good.
lost and they found him where? Where did they found them? Where
The
did they find?
baking shop.
Yeah, in the
Baking shop.
bakery.
Very
Very
good.
good. Anybody else?
Yes, Rishank, you want to say something?
Yeah, where is
Okay.
What's the name of the dog?
okay.
Sorry?
Clifford. So you
Clifford?
remember
Yes.
the name Clifford, right? Okay.
Very good.
Anybody else? Anybody else? Please raise your hands. If you raise your hand, I come to know you want to speak. Okay, Gauri. Yeah? You want to say? Sangeeta, do you yeah, names.
Yeah. Rakshita, can you remember anything? No. Okay.
Who
Gayatri, how
else
about you?
remembers?
Okay. Pranavi.
Pranavi, yeah.
Pranavi, yes. Unmute yourself, Pranavi.
Yeah, do you remember anything from this story?
It's okay. Ramya kana okay now.
You can tell anything, whatever you remember from this story.
Yeah. If it is wrong also, it's fine. No
Yeah.
need to worry.
Any one thing you remember from this story. Only one thing.
It's okay.
Big dog.
Big dog.
Big
Okay,
dog,
you remember
okay.
the big dog. Okay, good. Anybody else? Would you like to say Siddharth? Siddharth, you want to
Anvita?
say something?
Was a small dog.
Okay, Clifford was a small dog. Yeah, Ashwita, Prashanti. We have Prashanti here. I don't see your video. Would you
Video,
like to
yes.
speak? Would you
Ashwita,
like to speak?
you want to say something? Okay, unmute yourself, Ashwita.
Would you like to say? I don't know these two boys' name in red t-shirt. In red t-shirt. Would you like to
Ridan.
say?
Huh.
My name
Ridan.
is Lux.
Okay, I see two boys here in red and white t-shirt. Yeah, would you like to tell? Are you twins? Yes. Are you twins? Very good. What are your names? What are your names? Rehan and Ridan. Okay,
Ridan,
would you
okay.
like to tell anything you remember from the story? No.
Anvita,
Okay.
how about you?
Anvita, remember something from the story? One thing? No?
No? Okay.
Okay. Siddharth. This is Nandini's son, right? Nandini? Yeah, okay.
Oh, he has gone to
So
school.
now what we'll do is we will show you the pictures in the story. And then you just try to remember the story with the pictures. Done? Yes? Yeah? Okay. So Sangeeta auntie, please show everybody the pictures. Oh, wow.
What is the name of the dog?
What is the name of this dog? Clifford.
Clifford, yes.
And what is the name of this girl? Emily. What is her name?
Emily.
Emily. Great.
Yes.
And
Now,
Yes. Up.
can you
Yeah.
see? Can you see the Clifford? It's a tiny, small, right? It's a puppy. Small
Yeah.
puppy. Can you
So
see?
when they got Emily, Emily got Clifford, it was a small baby puppy.
Puppy. Okay. Now, see here. Emily is playing with the Clifford. Can you see? She is rolling the ball here. Yes? Are you able to see everyone?
Can you get
Yes.
little more closer?
Okay.
Little more closer. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see it now? Wow, that's great.
Okay.
Wow.
When she rolled the ball, Clifford is too small that it fell on the ground. Can you see? Yes?
Yes.
She's so upset. Oh, something happened to Clifford, isn't it? Now, what are these? What are these?
Toys.
Toys. Yes. And where is Clifford here? Can you see Clifford? Yes. Is this Clifford?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Is this
No.
Clifford?
No.
Is this Clifford?
Yes.
Is
No.
this Clifford?
No. No.
Is this Clifford?
Yes.
Yes.
Good job.
Very good. Now, oh, what happened? Can you see? Can you tell me what happened here?
The toys fell down on him. Toys fell
Ah, why? Why do you think so?
The toys fell on him. Fell on the Clifford.
Yes. Why? Because the toys are too big for him. Yes?
And
Okay.
Clifford is a small puppy.
It's here. Poor thing.
Clifford is a small puppy. Yeah.
Now see, what is it? He is enjoying something here. What is it? What is it called? Round, round, round. What do you call it in? You see it in the park?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is it called as?
Merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round. Very good, Ara. Okay. Now, here, Emily made a merry-go-round for Clifford. Because he's too tiny, right? So he was enjoying this. So it's winter, right? Can you see? Emily is wearing jacket. Yes?
And
So can you
and
find
gloves.
Clifford here? Yes, gloves. Can you find Clifford here? Where is he?
Yes.
Where is he? Where is he hiding?
Hut. Here. Hut.
Where?
In the pram.
In the front. Okay. Now tell me, where is he?
On his cap. On
Where?
the cap.
In the cap.
In the
Okay.
cap.
Can you see here? Something is moving. Correct?
That is.
See here. Clifford is hiding in the cap
Wow.
because it was too cold. So he was searching for warm places to keep himself warm. Can you see here?
Yes.
Now, what is it? Where is Clifford sleeping?
Inside
And what is this?
a clock.
A clock. Why is the clock here?
All bed. Because
Yes.
wake up.
Because
To wake up. It will wake up
to wake up. Okay. Okay. Now, what happened? Emily forgot to turn off the alarm. So what happened to Clifford? He jumped onto her. Isn't it? He got scared because he was not used to that loud sound. Now tell me what is happening here.
Clifford is having a bath.
Okay.
A bath.
Where? What is this called as?
A bathtub. A bathtub.
Yes. Now what happened?
He fell inside. Oh
Oh yeah.
no. He's
He fell
sinking.
inside. Yes, he is sinking.
And he's
right?
sinking.
Yes, he is sinking in the
Drowning.
water. And what happened to Emily? Why is she shocked? You worried?
Because it's small.
It's small and she almost lost him in the water. Now, tell me, what is she doing here?
She is drying her.
Okay. Hey, what is this?
The
This is a,
what?
what is this called as?
Ball.
Yes, it's a soup bowl. Okay. She is giving baths to him in the soup bowl. Now, tell me, why is her father in a shock? Why? Can you notice something here? Why? Tell me.
Or is he surprised?
Yeah, tell me, what is it?
Because I saw what was happening. Because her fur came in dad's mouth. Her fur came in dad's mouth, I think so.
Okay, that's nice. Okay. Anything else?
Can
you make-
he was scared by this dog.
Okay. Can you remember this ball? Can you remember this ball? You might have seen somewhere. Where did you see?
Bowl.
Where?
When she was giving bath.
Wow,
Yes.
good.
Very good. She was giving bath in this soup bowl, right? And her father is having soup in the same bowl. So that's the reason he was in a like, what is this?
That is soap.
Now, who is this? Who is this?
Aunt.
Aunt.
And
Good. Yes.
Grand.
Okay. She is aunt. And can you see where is Clifford sitting?
Grandma. Inside.
Where is he hiding?
Grandma. Inside the bag.
Inside the bag. Yes. Can you see here?
Yes.
He's so small, he can just skip into some bag. Now, what is happening here?
Grandmother is going.
Okay. Yes, Emily's mother is saying bye-bye to the aunt, and Emily is trying to search for
Clifford.
Clifford. Yes.
Clifford. Looking for Clifford.
Can you all see? Maybe Clifford is somewhere at your place. Can you all search? Maybe he has come to your place too.
yeah.
No.
Actually, maybe Clifford has come to their house.
Okay, just look
I'll
around.
go
Maybe
and check
behind
if
your
she's at the
laptop.
door.
See, just check. Behind your mama or under your legs. Foot. Maybe some tickling sensation on
No,
your legs.
Clifford
or
here.
somewhere. Is it there?
No.
No? Okay, let's see. Where is it? Where is it? What is this? What are these? What are these?
Clifford.
Clifford is here. Then what are these? Muffins. Yes, cupcakes. Yes. Yes, Bhavin, that's nice, puppy. Toy puppy. Oh, what happened here? Ah, what happened? What can you see here?
Jumped into the cupcake.
Oh, yes. And look at this chef. Oh, he's shocked. He's little upset, isn't it?
Yes.
Now see, he's all over the shop. Can you see? Tup, 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 tup.
And there's a wedding cake there. Oh God.
See here.
There's a wedding cake there.
So sad.
I'm so sad.
What happened? Why did he fell down? What happened? Was he trying to do something?
Yes.
What was it?
Eating. Trying to
Catch?
He
What?
slipped on the cakes. He slipped on other cakes.
He was trying to
Oh.
catch Clifford. Can you see here what happened? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
He is on the.
He's on the
Oh,
wedding cake.
wedding cake. Oh.
I can't see.
Oof. What happened now?
He jumped into the.
Whipped cream. Yes.
Yes.
Jumped into the whipped cream. So this cream is used to decorate the cake, isn't it? Yes. Now look here. What happened? He was little upset and he told to
Take
What?
away Clifford.
Yes.
Got angry.
He got
He got angry.
angry.
Yes. He got angry. Can you see here a boy? Yes.
Yes.
So he's laughing here.
Yes.
What happened? Tell me, what is it?
The Clifford fall off.
Okay.
Fell off.
Now, aunt is little upset. How to clean now? How to clean the Clifford? Now, the boy gave an idea. What is it? That his dog. Can you see his dog? The boy's dog is too big, isn't it? Compared to Clifford? Yes. So the boy said his dog is going to lick all the cream because it likes the cream.
How does the dog cleans itself?
Can you all do that? Lick,
Yes.
But don't lick your skin. Just
act.
sure. Yeah, that's how the dog cleans itself. Yeah, yeah. Because it cannot wipe its hands. It cannot clean its hand in the wash basin. So it will lick. Okay? Yeah. Next.
See, it's licking here. Can you see here?
Hey, the
Uh,
big dog is having fun.
Okay. Now it's clean, right? The Clifford is clean. And where is it now?
Back
Where is
to,
it?
yeah.
Land.
Back to Emily.
Yes. Now, can
Back
you see?
with Emily.
So happy to see Clifford back. Yes?
Yes.
Now comes the big boy. Who is it? Big? Can you see? Ooh, it has grown so big, isn't it? Who is this? What's his name? What's his name?
Dog.
Oh, what's the dog's name?
Clifford.
Clifford. Very good.
So now Clifford has become a big boy. And now Clifford doesn't do all that mischievous stuff. What he used to do when he was small. Okay, done. Good job. Yes? Yeah. Now do you all remember? What did you see?
Yes?
Now do you all remember? What did you all see? Do you all remember more? Yeah? Yeah? Yes? So who is going to tell me what did you see? Who is going to tell me?
Yes, Rakshita?
Okay. Yeah.
What
Whatever
happened?
you remember, you can tell.
Got into the aunt's bag.
Okay. That's what you remember.
Very
Okay.
good.
He jumped in all the time. Dog was licking Clifford.
Okay. Very good. Then?
Then Clifford grew up to grew up big to big dog.
Oh, very good. Okay. Very nice.
Arav, you want to tell something?
Ma'am.
Yes, Arav.
Melody. No, Melody is the Melody. They got in the bowl.
Ah,
Father came and did. Father
yes. He had.
Father eat the soup.
Yeah,
Very
so there was a soup bowl in their house, and Emily, by mistake, gave the dog bath in the same bowl, just like this. And father started drinking soup from the same bowl. Yeah. Who's next? Bhavin. Bhavin wants to tell. Pranavi wants to tell.
Big dog is very small dog.
There was a big dog and there was a small dog. What did the
Yes.
big dog do, Pranavi? It licked the
Licked.
small
Yes.
dog. Very
Very
nice.
good. Uh-huh.
Who else
Yes,
wants to
Rushang,
say?
you want to say something? Yes,
Small
Rushang.
dog became to big dog.
Yes.
All small puppies grow into big dogs.
Big dogs.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay.
Yes, Anvita,
Anybody
you want to
else?
say? Siddharth, you want to say something?
It sank in the bathtub.
Yes. Very good.
Anything else from the story? Do you remember anything else?
Anything else? You remember?
It fell in the whipped cream.
He fell in the whipped cream.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. And yes.
Good.
In the cake.
He jumped in the
Jump
cake.
cake. Very
Yeah,
good.
good. Yeah.
Yes, Rushang.
The dog lost and came back.
Sorry, didn't understand. Come again.
Small dog came back.
Ah,
He lost and came back.
yes. Very good.
Okay. Did you all enjoy this story? Yes? Can you all give me thumbs up? Thumbs up. Yes. Now, do you want to look at the story one more time from the beginning? Sangeeta, just
Yes.
show the story one more time. Okay, this is
So,
Emily and this is
and-
Clifford.
When Clifford was a small puppy. Now what? Now it's too small, isn't it? So it fell on the ground. Clifford wanted to play with the toys, but the toys were too big for him.
They fell on him.
Yes. Can you see what is this? It's a merry-go-round which Emily had made for Clifford. Now, during winters, Clifford wanted to hide in some place, some warm place. So he chose to hide in the cap. Now, Clifford liked to listen to the ticking of the clock. Now, Emily forgot to turn off the alarm. So, Clifford was scared. He jumped onto the Emily. So, Emily is giving a bath to Clifford in a big bathtub. What happened here? Uh-oh. The Clifford fell into the bathtub. She almost lost him. Then she had an idea. She gave a bath to the Clifford in a soup bowl. Ew. Ugh. I know, Arav. So, why is his dad like this? Because when Emily told that she had given bath to the Clifford in his soup bowl, so he was like, ew. Now, Emily's aunt had visited them. Can you see Clifford? Clifford is too small that he just slipped into the bag. Now, Emily is trying to search for Clifford because she couldn't find him. Then finally, the Clifford jumped from aunt's bag onto the muffins. Even Clifford was scared here, isn't it? Uh-oh, he spoiled all the muffins. See? He spoiled the wedding cake. And he just landed in the whipped cream. The baker said, can you just take the Clifford away? And the aunt didn't know how to clean. She couldn't take the Clifford in that. Now there was a boy here. He got an idea that he said his dog is going to lick all the whipped cream from Clifford. So the dog is licking. Can you see? They all cleaned up. Now the Clifford is clean. Now the Emily is so happy to see Clifford back. Clifford is a big boy. Okay.
Now you all remember story?
Yeah.
Now you all will remember the story? Good, good. Okay. So can we close our eyes again? Can we close our eyes again? And just try to remember Clifford the dog, puppy, which was small. And Emily was taking care of that little puppy. But Clifford was very mischievous. He wanted to get into the bag, then got into the bakery shop, spoiled some cakes, and then Aunt had to get him licked from another dog. And after that, Clifford became a nice big boy. Nice big dog. Yes? Yes? Will you all remember the story?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we all clap for Sangeeta auntie for telling us the story? And let's say thank you. I'm going to unmute you all So let's say thank you, Sangeeta auntie.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. See you all. Bye, Aral.
Bye everyone.
Bye. Bye. Siddharth.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you again. See you again. See you again.
Bye.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.